on the AmaMora on AmaWaterways river cruise. This is a BB balcony and French balcony room. This is a king room. You can get the room bed separated if you need to. But as you can see, there is a balcony. We're still in port, so we still have some port views. So we have a small balcony area with 2 chairs. We're in Amsterdam right now, getting ready to sail on a tulip time cruise. So this is the city of Amsterdam. So a small balcony. Everything comes on the TV as far as information and programs, things you know about the daily activities. The glass between the bathroom and the bedroom is frosted. As you can, there's a switch you can switch to turn into a frosted. If you ever get a room with a French balcony, what that means is you do not have an actual balcony. You have a sliding door that doesn't quite open all the way. It's a nice way to have a balcony feel without paying for an actual balcony. Like I said, this is a room that has both of them. This room comes with tons of closet space, place to hang everything. Also comes with safe and robes, extra towels. And I'm guessing there is a mini fridge in here that you can put your extra drinks in. Plenty of storage. The bathroom is actually a nice size shower and bathroom for a cruise ship. So yeah, this is the AmaWaterways AmaMora in a full balcony and a French balcony room. So it's a little bigger than just your balcony room.